First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Additional Setting. Then tap Storage. Now tap Show More to view your storage details. Here, you can see how much space is being used by the system, apps, and other files. Next, go back to the main settings page. Tap Software Update. If a software update is available, install the latest version. After the update is complete, go back to the Settings app. Tap App Management. Scroll through the list and find an app that you no longer use. Tap on the app. Then tap Force Stop. Tap OK to confirm. If you no longer need the app, tap Uninstall to free up even more storage. Repeat these steps for any other unused apps.
That's it. This is how you can reduce system storage on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.